Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Three Little Birds on the ukulele. First, let's learn the three simple chords you'll need: a major, D major, and E major. For major, place one finger on the second fret of the G string. For D major, use 3 fingers on the second fret of the G, C, and E strings. Finally, for E major, use 3 fingers on the first and second frets. Practice switching between these shapes smoothly. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. It's a straightforward down, up motion. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. The key is to maintain a steady, easy rhythm that matches the song's laid-back vibe. Try practicing this pattern slowly at first, perhaps counting out loud until it feels natural. This will help you build the necessary muscle memory for a smooth performance. Now, let's look at the song's structure. Three Little Birds has a very simple, repetitive verse-chorus format, making it easy to learn. Once you have the chords and strumming down, practice playing through the entire song, repeating the progressions. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of practice each day. Consistent, focused practice will help you internalize the changes and play with confidence and fluidity. Finally, it's time to put it all together and enjoy your hard work. Try playing along with the original recording of Three Little Birds to get a feel for the tempo and timing. Don't be afraid to sing along as you play. It's a great way to connect with the music. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and embrace the positive message of this timeless song. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.